Hi there, I'm Christina from hairstyle.com. Today I've got a different braid tutorial for you, one that I shot on location in Croatia. I was travelling to Istria and I was looking for a hairstyle that I could easily wear under a hat because it was so sunny, but would also look good when I took my hat off to go inside. This is the wraparound Dutch style, and you'll notice I have a different hair colour in this video, and I've got a video on that colour. I'd love to know in the comments which colour you prefer. Now it really helps me to know which styles you like. You can hit like on this video and you can also subscribe to my channel, which really helps as well. Now let's head to location and watch this tutorial poolside. Let's get started. So I really did wake up like this, well, just my hair I mean. I sleep with my hair clipped up, which keeps a lot of volume in my hair and helps to preserve my blow dry for longer. But once I unclip my hair, I give it a shake. This is day 4 hair, or maybe day 5. Don't judge me. But I am going to need to refresh my roots with dry shampoo. And I love these little travel minis from Batiste. Don't forget to also do the back of your head. This is where my hair can be quite oily and it shows when I style my hair. I shake that in, and because I'm braiding, I'm also going to brush all my hair out to get rid of any tangles and smooth it out. My wraparound travel braid is a Dutch lace braid. A Dutch style braid or inside out braid sits on top and is created by crossing the sections underneath each other. The lace part means you only add in hair to the braid from one side. To get started, I've created a deep side part on the right, and this is where my Dutch lace braid begins. Pick up a section of hair next to your part and split it into 3. Cross the left under the middle, and then the right under the left, and then cross under again. It's on the 4th cross that we pick up hair to add into the braid. I want my braid to sit forward, so the hair I add in goes right to the hairline. On the next cross, don't add in any hair, so it's only on that right or back section that you add in hair to the braid. Make sure the hair you add in goes right to your hairline. Follow the braid along the edge of your face, just adding in hair to one side of the braid. As you get near to your ear, we're going to go back and stretch out the braid. Now this is why it's really important to only add in hair to the back of the braid, because you'll see this allows you to stretch the braid forward. It's almost creating like a side fringe. You want the braid to sit slightly on your forehead so that you'll see it under your hat. Once you're happy with how the braid's sitting, we'll continue with your Dutch lace braid, following around the back of your head. I'm still only adding in hair to one side of the braid, and now we're curving the braid around to follow your lower hairline, and it's going to finish in a side braid on the right. It's around the back here that it can get a little bit hard to reach, so if you have longer hair, bring your hair around to the front, and that's when you'll finish in a regular plait or braid. Or if you've got shorter hair, you can do a ponytail or a bun or pin it in place to finish at the back here. And if you have layers sticking out, like I do, I'm going to show you how to fix them up in a minute. Once all of your hair is added into the braid, I finish with a regular plait or basic braid. To secure the end of your braid, take a really small clear elastic, or anything you've got to hand. Then to hide those layers, I go back and very gently stretch out the braid to tuck in those loose layers. Make any final tweaks to your braid and you're all set for a day of exploring. I really love how this braid sits under the brim of my hat, adding in a cute detail all the way around. I wore this wraparound braid to visit Pula and the Roman amphitheatre. The amphitheatre is beautiful and definitely worth a visit. And my favourite town along the Istrian coast was Rovinj, just beautiful. I hope you give this travel braid a go because it's perfect for wearing under a hat and to still look good when you take your hat off afterwards. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you don't want to miss my next video, and you can also find me over on Instagram at hairomance. Have fun with your hair and I'll see you next time. Bye!